Drilling a granite countertop really is not that difficult, but we highly recommend you do not do it yourself. If you are local to a company like us, Purahome, we drill the granite for you. Our installers are all trained in this, and we have the special drill bits to go through the granite. And just so you know, really interesting, one drill bit will only be able to do 3 holes in granite over time. That's why it costs a bit more to put in a system through a granite countertop. Here at Purahome, we charge $60 more for that, just for the time and the fact that we can only do 3 to 4 holes maximum with one drill bit. If you're doing this yourself and let's say you buy an aquaspace system from us, we would send you a complete kit. We would first have you look under the sink, because typically most people with granite countertops have an undermount sink. So what you want to do is look up from underneath your cabinet to make sure you got enough space in either left or right corner where you're going to put the faucet. You're going to probably need, well, not probably, you need enough space to accommodate a 1/2 inch hole for the faucet. So we want to make sure that you have that space to begin with. And then as our customer, if you're not local, we encourage you to call your kitchen cabinet company that installed the granite for you, and we can talk to them. You need a 1/2 inch drill bit. You can also go 3/4 inch, but not 1 inch, and then you get the proper size hole to mount your faucet.